Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are back at our weekly spot. We are back at CVS about to get into some super quick but super awesome deals. And y'all, I'm going to be moving real fast this week only because I am trying to get to the Usher concert, also known as the Super Bowl, and I got to go make our food and get ready for the game. So this is going to be a quicker video than usual, but it's okay because this is a 1 week ad this week because of Valentine's. So we'll actually be back next Sunday since we'll have brand new deals next Sunday. So first deal up, we're going to get into a Covergirl moneymaker. Covergirl is really nice this week. It's buy two, get back five. So we're going to be picking up two of Old Faithfuls. Y'all already know who we're going to pick up, these $5.49 pencils, because this is where the money resides. So these two at $5.49 each equal out to $10.98. In today's inserts, we got $3 manufacturer coupons. We're going to use two of those to give us $6 in savings. Brings us down to $4.98. And then last week, we got an instant coupon for $4 off. That coupon is still good this week. It did extend out for a week. So that will bring us down to 98 cents at the register. Then we're going to get back $5 in extra bucks, you guys. That's a 402 moneymaker. Now let's get into the spend 20 get 10 on Nivea and Aquaphor products this week. We're going to do a little mixing and matching between the Eucerin and the Nivea products, which are also included. So the first thing I'm going to grab is the Eucerin hand cream. This is $6.29, but we have a $3 digital coupon that works on this, makes it $3.29 and gives us $6 towards that spend 20 get 10. Then I'm going to grab two Nivea body washes. You can get the men's or the women's, but the women's will be a little bit more pricey. We're going to get two of the men's today for $6.79, and that's going to complete our spend 20 get 10 deal. We have a 3 off of 2 coupon that we're going to use from the 128 inserts. So these three total us up to $19.87 before our coupons. With the CVS 98% rule, that is close enough to 20 to get back that $10 extra buck. So I'm going to be using my $3 digital coupon for the Eucerin, the 3 off of 2 paper coupon for the Nivea, and our $2 digital coupon is also going to come off. At the register, I'll pay out $11.87 and I'll get back a $10 extra buck, making it just $1.87 for all three items. So I'm going to do a really quick transaction with just the CoverGirl and the Eucerin and Nivea transaction. I'm going to let this CoverGirl pay for these three items and we'll have a little money left over. Let's see how this goes. So that went beautifully. Here is a close-up of that receipt for those items. There's my CoverGirl. There is my Eucerin, my 2 Nivea. We have the 3 paper coupons for the CoverGirl and the Nivea. The Eucerin digital and the Nivea digital came off, plus my $4 instant coupon. I rolled in $10 in extra bucks and paid out $2.70 out of pocket. So we paid out $12.70 or $12.85 if you factor back in the extra bucks, but $12.70 for me. And then I did get back the $15 in extra bucks, 10 for the Nivea deal and 5 for the CoverGirl, making that transaction a $2.30 moneymaker. The other option for the Nivea Aquaphor Eucerin deal is picking up 3 of these 5-ounce lotions. My store does not carry these, so I don't do the deal this way that often, but you can pick up 3 of these for $21.87. Use 3 of our $3 coupons. You can use 1 of the digital plus 2 of the paper coupons. If you have a 3 off of 12 lotion CRT, that would be ideal because you'd save $9 with your manufacturer coupons plus $3 with your CVS coupon. You would pay out $9.87 and get back 10, making them FREE or free 99. But if you don't have a CVS coupon to add in, it's $2.87 for all 3, which is still a really good deal, under $1 each. Another easy deal that we have this week that anyone can do is on the Colgate toothpaste. So this week, these babies are $3.99, select varieties, including the Max Fresh and the Optic White, some of them for $3.99. These two are $3.99 on sale, no extra bucks back, but we do have a $7 digital coupon. So you can pick up two, and then after that $7 digital, since it's $7.98 for two, it'll just be 98 cents for both, or 49 cents each. Oral care deal you can do is on the Crest or the Oral-B products. These are $3.99. Buy three, get back a $5 extra buck. So pick up three of them. That'll total you up to $11.97. So these three will total us up to $11.97. We have two different digital coupons that I think will apply, giving us $6 in savings. So that'll leave you to pay out $5.97, then get back $5, making all three of these just 97 cents. We have a really good deal on Maybelline products this week. I'm not going to do it, but if you need cosmetics, this is a deal that you want to definitely look at. So these are spend 15, get back a $6 extra buck this week. The cheapest thing to grab in this deal would probably be the blush. So I would pick up two of the Fit Me blush for $7.79. So these two at $7.79 each would total up to $15.58. So now you're over the amount to get back that $6 in extra bucks. You want to use these two babies right here. So we got a $3 Maybelline instant coupon and this 3 off of 15 Maybelline coupon. That'll give you $6 in savings, and you'll pay out $9.58 at the register. $9.58, you'll get back $6 in extra bucks, and then you can also submit over to Ibotta for $2 in cash back on each one. That's gonna make these two free plus a 42-cent moneymaker. Now it's time to stop and announce the winner of this week's $25 CVS e-gift card giveaway. The winner is Lady Char 7912. Congratulations to you. If you will please send me an email at couponingwithstar@gmail.com. By Saturday, I will get you verified and get your gift card over to you. And then, of course, we're going to do it again. All you have to do to enter the week's $25 giveaway is leave a comment down below, thumbs up this video, and you must be subscribed to the channel. This week, the Irish Spring and the soft soap are 2 for $11, and when you buy two, you're going to get back $2 in extra bucks. We have a $4 off of 2 digital coupon that you can use on these products. So you can pick up 2 for $11 minus the $4 coupon. You'll pay out $7, get back 2. It'll make these $2.50 each. So I need paper towels real bad in my stockpile. So let's talk about this spend 30, get 10. We're going to be grabbing this Big Downy 8 equals 16 for $19.99 because we do have a 50-cent digital coupon, and we also have a $4 Ibotta rebate. So this is going to be the first item that we grab in the spend 30, get 10 this week. Next, we're going to grab some Downy Unstoppables, or you can get another $13.49 item like the Tide Pods if you don't have the $2 Ibotta rebate for the Unstoppables. If you have the $2 Ibotta rebate, then you may want to consider these. But these are $13.49. You can get this 14.8 ounce size or the 13.4, and we have a $3 digital coupon plus $2 back on Ibotta. And if you want to get Tide Pods instead, you can just grab these, use the $3 digital coupon. So the total for these two is $33.48. For the Downy, we have a $2 Ibotta rebate, and we also have a $3 digital coupon. For the Bounty, we have a 50-cent Ibotta rebate and a 50-cent digital coupon. After my $3.50 in digitals at the register, I'm going to pay out $29.98 for both items. Then I'll get back the $10 extra buck, and I'll get back $6 in Ibotta rebates, making my final cost $13.98 for both of these. Next that we're grabbing is the spend 30, get 10 on Dove products. This also includes Ollie gummies, but we're going to be grabbing 4 of the Dove products. I'm going to grab 2 hair products for $5.29 to get us started, and then we're also going to grab some bath care. Y'all, look at my Dove section. This is absolutely crazy. One of my managers told me that this is not from people doing deals or couponings. This is from shoplifting, which is absolutely insane. But we're going to be grabbing 2 of the Dove scrubs. Thankfully, they did leave us a couple of these. These are $9.99 each. We're going to get 2 of them to get to that $30 mark. We got a 3 off of 2 digital coupon, and we also have $2 back on Ibotta. So first, let me give you the all digital breakdown for this Dove deal. This totals up to $30.58 before our coupons, so we can get back that $10 extra buck. If you want to use the $3 digital coupon minus the $2 digital coupon that we have for the hair care. That'll save you $5, bring you down to $25.58. Then you'll get back $10 in extra bucks and $4 from Ibotta. That'll make your cost $11.58 for all 4 items. I'm going to be using 2 of these 2 off of 2 printable coupons in my transaction, and if the digitals do come off with that, I will pay out $21.56, but then I'll get back the $10 extra buck. That'll bring me to $11.56, and then I'll get back $4 on Ibotta for the scrubs. That'll be $7.56 for all 4 items, or $1.89 each. All right, y'all, so we're gonna go up now and do our next transaction. And this deal, I'm gonna be using a 15 off of 75. We are gonna get our spend 30 deal with the Bounty, our Dove deal, and the Covergirl. That should be right at $75. Let's see how this deal goes.
Lightning strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way, and so
all right, y'all, so let's go over that transaction. Almost went completely perfect for me, but it was a really good deal. So there's the Bounty, there is the Downy, there is the 4 Dove items, and the Covergirl. All of my paper coupons scanned just fine, including those $2 for the Dove, so those are good. Now the Dove 3 off of 2 did not come off, but the Dove $2 came off. And then there is the Bounty and the Downy digital in my 15 off of 75, and the $4 instant coupon for the Covergirl. I used my $10 care pass, and then I rolled in $27 more in extra bucks. So we spent out a total of $40.52 in this deal when you add in all those extra bucks plus the $3.52 that we placed on a gift card. And then I did get back $25 in extra bucks, so 10 for the Dove, 10 for the spend 30, and 5 for the Covergirl. But of course, the money does not end there. We also got back $10 in cash from Ibotta, and then you also want to scan your receipt over to Fetch Rewards, because we do have a Dove promo for Dove hair care. It's like spend 20 get 3 at CVS. It really doesn't add up to much once you use extra bucks, but if you're not using a lot of extra bucks, that could be something for you. All right, y'all, so this is everything that I'm buying at CVS this week. Yes, y'all, this is it, because like I said, I'm not gonna be in here for a long time today. We came here for a good time, not a long time, and I really just wanted to grab the stuff I wanted, which is Dove and Bounty, and be on my way. So all of this came out to about $2 and some change, probably, after extra bucks, which I think is a phenomenal deal just for the $20 Bounty alone. And we got some Dove and some body wash and some Downy to boot. So let me know if you have any questions. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe. If you have not already, I would love to have you here. As always, you guys, I thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will talk to you next Sunday.